Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to start decorating for Christmas. By the time this is released, it'll be the day after Thanksgiving, and as far as I'm concerned, you can start decorating whenever you'd like. We're getting things going a little early and we're spacing it out, so we're not doing all of the decorating all at once. We're getting a lot of the stuff set up around the house, and then we'll start the tree probably next week sometime. Now, one of the things that happened when we moved into this house, we upgraded the size of the house, and the house we were living in, we really only decorated one room and a hallway, and that's really about it. So all those decorations when we moved into this house really spread out and looked really sparse, or we'd only decorate one corner of the house. So what we started to do is upgrade and add new stuff and try to fill out the area, and now we're spreading out into other rooms and throughout the house. So we have a lot of stuff that we're starting to pick up and starting to add, and I just want to show you everything we're going to be doing, and let's get started. Alright guys, so that's it. I think we have nearly everything that we want up. There might be some little pieces here and there that we might go pick up. New things that we'll be adding to the Christmas collection. But overall, things are ready to go. We've got the tree to start decorating. We are going to put a secondary tree downstairs that we had from the old house. We picked up a new one last year from Costco. We have that in the main living room. The new one, or the old one, will be downstairs because we don't really decorate downstairs too much. So we thought we'd add some Christmas cheer to the downstairs since the boys spend a lot of time down there. Maybe have them decorate that one being their tree. But we do have a few other areas that we're feeling kind of sparse. We want to add some things to. So there will be more stuff that we'll pick up. That will all be in a coming video, including the decorations outside. So for that, on that note, we're gonna end it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.